The San Francisco's Biking and Rolling Plan is our roadmap for making biking and rolling, including skateboards and power chairs, cargo bikes, scooters, more safe and inviting for San Franciscans. This is our long-range plan of how we're going to get there. We want a safe and inclusive network for all ages and abilities in San Francisco. Our maps are a reflection of all of the people that we've talked to over the last 2 years. So every bikeway facility is a reflection of all of those conversations. In some neighborhoods, they've really felt the impacts of being planned over. For example, in the Tenderloin, folks live on streets that are mostly car dominated, and it's people zooming through to get to the freeway. And so those types of harms that people experience, we've really hoped to engage with community groups in addressing those past harms. One way that we do that is by sort of shepherding a community-led process where we learn where community groups are with biking and rolling, their readiness for biking and rolling, and how biking and rolling should show up in an inclusive way on our maps. One of the maps that we present is the North Star map, which is really our long-range plan of a safe and inclusive network for all ages and abilities. This North Star map is really supposed to reflect connectivity. It's supposed to reflect people having safe and connected access to community resources such as schools, parks, libraries, their jobs, where they're running errands, and even just how they're reaching their community.